Hello everyone, this is Jason from NEWINDU International Limited. Today I will show you LIUGONG CLG855H wheel loader. Okay, let's go. Look, this is the machine. The bucket is 5 cubic meters loading capacity and it uses Cummins engine. The rated power is 162 kilowatt, very powerful for loading. Next, I will show you the cabin. This is the central instrument panel. All important information will be displayed here. Large curved front glass and the rear mirrors can ensure great visibility. Adjustable steering handle, high back seat, and air conditioner, which will keep your driving comfortable. If you are interested in this wheel loader or other construction machinery, please feel free to contact me. See you next time.